This is a completed Sudoku puzzle. All the numbers are correct, so it's successful. There's one major rule with 3 parts. The first part is each horizontal row has to have the numbers 1 through 9 with no repeats. The second rule is each vertical column must have the numbers 1 through 9 with no repeats. And the third rule is each big box must have the numbers 1 through 9 with no repeats. Here's a big box right here. Here's another one right here. Here's one here. Hi, I'm Jerry, and I've been teaching a class at Sierra Montessori Academy, and these are my students, and they will introduce themselves.
My name is Haley. My name is Talise. My name is Sam. My name is Vincent.
My name is Sonia.
And they have been excellent students for 6 weeks now, and they know how to do Sudoku, and they're going to teach you how to do Sudoku.
Name the family you will work on. I'm going to work on this family, this box. Say which numbers are needed. 5, 8, and 9. Okay. Say which number you will solve. Can I do all of them? Okay, 5. So
Next question.
identify the eliminators. This 5 eliminates if we're going there, so it has to go here.
Okay.
Solve one small box.
Name family you will work on.
I'm going to be working on this row.
Okay. Say which numbers are needed.
We need an 8 and a 5.
Say which number you will solve.
I'm going to solve for both the 8 and the 5.
Identify eliminators.
The eliminators are this 8 right here and this 5 right here.
Solve one small box.
I'm going to put the 8 here because the 5 eliminates a 5 going here. And a 5 can only go here because there are only 2 boxes.
Okay, now count the family.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Why do you count the family after you finish it?
To make sure that all the numbers are there. Name the family you will work on.
I'm going to work on this one right here.
Box. Say which numbers are needed.
We need an 8 and a 9.
Say which number you will solve.
I'm going to solve it for an 8.
Identify eliminators.
The eliminators are this 8 right here because this 8 blocks off this box. So the 8 has to go here.
Solve one small box.
So what's the last one have to be?
9.
Put it in. Okay, now what do you do when you finish a family?
You count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good.
Name the family you will work on. I'm going to be working on this family right here. Say which numbers are needed. 1, 2, and 4. Say which number you will solve. I'm going to solve a 4. Identify eliminators. There's a 4 right here, so a 4 can't go here. And there's a 4 right here, so it can't go there. So that means it has to go there. And then solve one small box. And you're done. Name the family you will work on. I will be working on this family. Say which numbers are needed. The numbers needed are a 1 and a 2. Say which number you will solve. I will be solving the 1. Identify eliminators. So this one here blocks off that box, so the 1 has to go here. Solve the one small box.
So what has to go in the other box?
A 2 right here. And then
Now
count
count
it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Why do you count when you finish a family?
Because if you don't, you might have multiple
Mistakes.
numbers in the box.
Good.
Name the family you will work on.
I will work on this family in the box. I mean this.
Say which numbers are needed.
6 and 7.
Identify the eliminators.
This 6 goes here. There's a 6 here, so it blocks from going there and there. So 6 has to go here.
Good.
Solve the one small box.
And then 7 has to go here because 7 can't go there. And then there's one more left on this box.
What has to go there?
9.
Do it.
Now count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good.
Name which family you will work on.
I'm going to be working on this box.
Say which numbers are needed.
We need a 1, 2, 4, 7, and 9.
Say which number you will solve.
I'm going to be solving for a 1.
Identify eliminators.
This one blocks off these 2 boxes, and this one blocks off this box.
So one small box.
The 1 has to go here.
Name the family you will work on.
I'm going to be working on this one.
Say which numbers are needed.
We need a 9, a 7, and a 2.
Say which number you will solve.
I will solve it for 2.
Identify the eliminators.
The eliminators are this 2, which eliminates these 2 boxes.
Solve one small box.
So the 2 has to go right here.
Okay. There's 2 that are really easy. Show me the 2 easy ones up there.
This box, there's,
Why is it easy?
because there's only 1 left.
Okay.
Both of these.
And what's the other one that's really easy?
This.
Okay. In the top one, what's the correct answer?
5.
What does it need? What does it need?
It needs a 5.
Okay, put it in. And the bottom one, what does it need?
A 2.
Okay, put it in. Good.
Name the family you will work on.
I will be working on this center box. Number 2.
Say which numbers are needed.
A 4 and a 3.
Say which number you will solve.
I will be solving the 4.
Identify the eliminators.
The eliminators are this 4, it's the only eliminator, which blocks off that box, meaning 4.
Solve the one small box.
There.
And solve the last box.
Yeah,
There's only one left.
because there's only 1 left, so 3.
All right. Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right.
Name the family you will work on.
I will be working on this family.
Use your left hand to point.
Go.
Say which numbers are needed.
There's a 2, a 2, a 3, a 6, a 7, an 8, and a 9.
Say which number you will solve. 2. Identify the eliminators.
Left hand.
2 eliminates that one, 2 eliminates that one, 2 eliminates that one, so 2 has to go here.
Alright. Solve the small box.
I already did.
Name which family you will work on.
Oh, shoot.
I'm going to be working on this column.
Family.
This column.
Oh, shoot. Say which numbers are needed.
We need an 8, a 5, and a 3.
Say which number you will solve.
I'm going to be solving it for an 8.
Identify eliminators.
This 8 eliminates these 2 boxes, so it has to go here.
Solve one small box.
Great. Name the family we'll work on.
I'm going to be working on this family right here.
Say which numbers are needed.
We need a
Give me a
5 and a 3.
Say which numbers are you will solve.
I will be solving it for a 3.
Give me a 3. Identify eliminators.
The eliminator is this 5 right here. Eliminates there ever being a 5 right here. So 3 has to go right here.
Solve one small box.
These 2 are having a ball.
And then a 5 is the only one left, so it has to go right here. Oh my God, what did I do? She was making all the noise. So,
I will be working on this box. Say which numbers are needed. A 1, 4, 7, and 9. Say which number you will solve. I'm going to be solving for 1. Identify the eliminators. There's a 1 right here, so it can't go in either of these, and there's a 1 right there, so it can't go there. So that means it has to go right there. Solve one small box.
Name the family we'll work on.
I will be working on this family.
Say which numbers you are going to need.
4, 4, 7, and 9. 4, 7, and 9. That was
Say
slow.
which number we will solve.
4.
Identify the eliminators.
So there's a 4 here, which eliminates that 4, and a 4 here that eliminates that box, meaning that this here, that is indeed a 4. Good. Name family you will work on.
I will work on this family.
All right, say which numbers are needed.
A 6 and a 7.
Say which number you will solve.
6.
Identify the eliminators.
This 6, that 6. So 6 has to go here.
What? Solve one small box.
Man, I hope I get paid for
And then I have to do 7, because it's the only place, so 7 has to go here. Then count it. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
name family you will work on.
I'm going to be working on this family.
Say which numbers are needed.
We need a 7 and a 9.
Say which number you will solve.
I'm going to be solving for a 7.
Identify eliminators.
This 7 it blocks off this box.
Solve one small box.
And what has to go in the last one?
The last one, there has to be a 9 in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay.
Name the family you will work on.
I am going to work on this one right here.
Say which numbers are needed.
That's the only one left, right?
It's the only one left, so there are no eliminators.
Go ahead, do it.
Solve one small box.
And then what about the other?
Then do the other box.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna need a 9. Yeah!
Okay, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay.
Name the family you will work on.
I'm going to be working on this box.
Say which numbers are needed.
6, 7, and 9.
Say which number you will solve.
I'm going to be solving it for 6.
Identify the eliminators
There's a 6 right there, so it can't go in either of those two boxes.
and solve one small box.
And since there's a 6 right there, it can't go in these two, so it has to go right here. That's how you do Sudoku.
Okay, name the family you're going to work on.
I'm going to work on this final family, Seth.
Okay, which numbers are needed?
The numbers needed are 7 and 9.
Okay, which is which? How do you decide?
Well, there's 7 here, so that blocks off the 7 here. And there's a 9 here, which blocks off the 9 there. So that means that this is 7, and this is a 9. And that's how you do Sudoku.
We can work it out. We can work it out. Life is very short, and there's no time for fussing and fighting.
Are you guys going to form a team for the tournament?
Yes!